Hey, this is Jeff from Jeff Race to the Top. I'm here today to finish up with the BMW, replacing both right front and right rear knuckle assemblies. During the off season, I replaced a bunch of things, or at least did things to make myself faster. I got some different stagger tires for the passenger side and the driver's side. I've welded up the rear diff. I got a light and flywheel and a clutch assembly. I haven't thrown that on yet. I wanted to see, this is my baseline to see what this car feels like and write down what kind of measurements I could do and what feels good and what I didn't like and go on from there, all right? All right, so the BMW is done. It's ready to go. It's on the trailer. I only decided to replace the right rear knuckle. I didn't want to do the right front. I didn't have the bearing socket. I want to replace it to make sure everything's all good. I don't want to just throw some junkyard parts on there and hope for the best, right? So once I get that socket, I'm gonna replace that and put that on. It's a 330. I didn't realize from the 325 to 330 was that much of a difference. I thought, hey, you could just bolt it on there and go. Obviously, yeah, well, now it is what it is, right? Hindsight. So this year, I'm gonna try and do 2 races a year. That's the goal. As long as the schedule's there, I can get off of work and do it. and as long as I don't hit too much of the cars, you know what I mean, I don't damage too many things, I'm not waiting on parts. As long as it seems like it's doable in my head, and I'm gonna try and get that done to get more content out there. So this month I'm gonna try and go to Big Diamond along with Grandview and see how that goes. I know I was looking on the map, Big Diamond is like 30 more minutes out. Grandview is already almost an hour out of there, so it is what it is. Let's see. And then since the guys from Delaware came up, I'm gonna try and make it to one of theirs. Not this month, but the following month. I'm gonna try and pick a date to go down there and support their cause too. And we'll see how that goes. I'm gonna take the Honda down there. I still got, let's see, from the last race, I got to replace the right side, or no, the driver's side inner and outer tie rod, or at least the outer tie rod. When they caught the flat, I guess it knocked the ball or the tie rod end a little loose. Got those on ordered. Actually, it's here. I just got to throw it on there. The brake line, one of the repair lines, it developed a leak, so I got to replace that. Bleed the brakes again, make sure it's all good. And that's pretty much it. So this year, I'm gonna try and do a lot more, try and get more content flowing, and see where this takes me. Well, if you've watched this till the end, a like, share, and a subscribe will do me greatly, and I'll see you at the racetrack.